Hello, and today we are going to replace the strap for this watch. This is old Soviet mechanical watch made by Slava. As a replacement strap, we're gonna use this Hirsch leather strap. So that's how is it packed by a manufacturer. So we see this is 18 millimeters wide right here, and it's applicable for our watch. Well, that's how it looks like. The advantage of the Hirsch strap is that you have this leverage that helps you a lot while changing or replacing the strap. You just need to catch this leverage and press it. You see the hinge start moving. So that's awesome. Well, at first we need to remove old hinges. So I'm gonna use a knife because I have no any other instrument. So first you need to move by the nail this thing so you can see some space between the watch and the hinge. You insert the blade and press it. Okay, so we removed the first hinge, and the same way we remove the last one. Okay, so the watch is ready for replacement. To attach the strap to the watch, you insert the one side of the hinge first. Okay, then press this leverage and okay, you see that. So the first part is attached, then you do the same to the second part. Alright, so here you go. Well, you see, this is a real advantage of this Hirsch strap, because you just move this leverage and it's easily removed. Awesome. Okay, let's attach this back. Alright, so that's how it's look like. It's beautiful, isn't it? Wow. Let's figure out how it's look like on my wrist. Well, not bad. Soft leather. Well, really comfortable and feels like it fixed on my wrist really well. So, hope this video will help you to replace your leather strap on this type of mechanical or other watch. Well, the Hirsch strap really awesome because have this advantage, have this leverage that helps you a lot while replacing. You don't need any instrument at all. Thank you for watching. See you next time.